South Indian celebrities who donated money. Prabhas. The famous South Indian actor Prabhas has come forward to help the Indian citizen in this time of crisis. The popular star has donated a whopping amount of 4 crore to the relief funds created by the government. The actor donated 3 crores to Prime Minister's Relief Fund and 50 lakhs each to CM's Relief Fund of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana government. Rajnikant. The South Indian superstar Rajnikant has decided to help the needy people during this situation. The Thalaiva has donated a huge amount of 50 lakhs rupees for the daily wage workers who are badly affected by the current situation. He has donated the amount to the Film Employees Federation of South India for the daily wage workers in the film industry as the shootings are closed. Mahesh Babu. South Indian megastar Mahesh Babu has donated a hefty amount of 1 crore to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana government. The actor has also donated 25 lakhs for the daily wage workers of Telugu film industry as all the shootings are closed. Allu Arjun. Handsome Tollywood actor Allu Arjun has also come forward to help the people of this country in this situation of crisis. Superstar has donated a huge sum of 1.25 crore to the government of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Kerala for the welfare of people. Pawan Kalyan. This actor is also a famous politician because he is the member of Jan Sena Party. Pawan Kalyan donated a large amount of 1 crore to Prime Minister's Relief Fund to fight against the coronavirus. He has also donated 50 lakhs each to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana government. Ram Charan. Telugu actor Ram Charan got inspired from the contribution of the uncle Pawan Kalyan and decided to contribute money. This handsome actor has donated 70 lakhs rupees to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to fight against the deadly virus. Nitin. Famous Telugu actor Nitin was one of the first from the Telugu film industry to come forward to help the people. The actor has donated 10 lakhs each to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Chiranjeevi. As all the shooting are closed, this South Indian superstar has come in support of the daily wage workers in the film fraternity. This actor has donated a huge amount of 1 crore to the daily wage workers of Telugu film industry. The megastar donated the huge amount to the Union of Film Workers in Telugu film industry. Junior NTR. Telugu superstar Junior NTR, as responsible citizen of the country, donated a sum of 75 lakhs for welfare. He divided the money into 3 parts and donated 25 lakhs each to Telangana and Andhra Pradesh and donated the other 25 lakhs to daily wage workers. Nandamuri Balakrishna. This famous Tollywood actor has donated a huge amount of 1 crore rupees to Prime Minister's Relief Fund. The actor has requested people to stay in their home and stay safely. Trivikram Srinivas. South Indian celebrity Trivikram Srinivas, who is a filmmaker, donated 10 lakhs each to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.